Hello and welcome back to the channel. You've probably already seen by now the title of this video, and it's probably the reason why you've clicked on it. But I'm selling Project Xpack. The reason that I'm selling it is not because I'm fed up with it or anything. It's because it's a very reluctant sale, but I feel that it's justified to move on and get bigger and better. The idea is to get the funds freed up to put up a full-size workshop at the house. Whenever I say full size, I mean 20 meters by 10 meters ish. So it's a brave old lump of a workshop, but that's the plan anyway. Asking price wise, it's a very hard one to price. I know that you couldn't build it for the asking price. Ask me how I know. But the asking price that I have put on it is 29,995, so 30 grand. Obviously I am open to offers, but unless it gets very close to the asking price, it'll sit in my shed. It's worth every penny of that, I'm sure you'll agree. And yeah, anyway, the next bit I'll take in a walk around from the show and recent footage, and just to refresh you on how it currently sits. I'll take you on a wee bit of a walk around there from the recent show at Dubshed, which it was accepted for indoors. This car has just been fully detailed, so it is looking probably the best it's ever done since I've built the car, to be honest. Yeah, you can see there from the back of it, it's got a turbo tail spoiler, it's got a half roll cage in it, wide body Xpack, and it is rolling on Image VM split rim wheels. They're staggered, they're wider at the back than the front. I think they're 8.75 at the back and 7.75 at the rear, I think. But anyway, you've seen this car hopefully on the channel already, and any prospective buyers, I would advise to go and have a look at the full playlist before getting in touch. But if you are interested in the car, do leave a comment or send an email to info@chrisdupreisgarage.com. Details will be in the description. Yeah, as I said before, it's a reluctant sale, and if it doesn't reach anywhere near the asking price, I will hold on to it happily. It's just sort of one of those decisions that I took because I really just want my own workshop up at this stage. I'm sure you'll agree by looking at the pictures there from the show that it does clean up really well. It's eye-catching. There's the engine with the twin turbos and the coil packs and everything on it. And yeah, that will do me. If interested, or you know anybody interested, please share, and thank you. It's been a long process building this. I didn't ever envisage selling it, but since now I've moved house and I have the room for a workshop, I just want it to happen now, basically, not 10 years time by the time I've saved up 30 grand to build it. So anyway, enjoy. I'm not going away anywhere. I have another Capri that I have purchased, so it'll be coming up on the channel. I have the Mark 1 Transit build, and of course the workshop build if this all goes to plan. So do hang around and don't go anywhere yourselves. I shall see you in the next one, which ironically is footage from before this, but I'll hopefully edit it and get it out at some stage soon. Thank you, and I shall see you soon. Bye.